Hello, hello, hello. Wishing you all a very happy new year. A fresh year, a new season, more stories, more conversations, and moments that make us pause, laugh, and say, wow, that's so us.
Yes. So, Riddhima, we are on season 4 now.
Yay!
Season 4, episode 1 of Talks Without a Map in this new year, where we still don't have a map, but we definitely have
Opinions.
opinions.
And today's episode is very close to the heart, close to sofa, and most of the times, even freshly washed clothes.
Basically, it's about pets.
That's right.
The only beings who love you unconditionally, even when you smell like stress and bad decisions.
True that pets just wag and judge rightly.
I genuinely feel pets are like walking, barking, and purring antidepressants, I'm telling you.
Absolutely. You can have the worst day and your pet looks at you like, okay, but did you bring snacks?
Also, I think like pets don't really care about your age, also. Whether you're 5,
Ah.
you're 25, 55, you're still they're human.
But I have observed one thing that the youngest member is their most favorite.
Yeah, I can vouch for that because I grew up with a dog and he had
Huh.
come before I did.
Huh.
He was around 8 years old when I was born. So he was like the first child in the house. And when I was born, my mom says that he was a little skeptical. He didn't know what this creature was. That is me. It's such a small human that he had seen for the first time. But I was his favorite later, I
You know?
think. And I have really been a monster when it came to handling him because I used to sit on his back and
Yeah.
piggyback
And
and
they
whatnot.
tolerate all that,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah, because I was his favorite.
Yeah. I remember I literally grew up with dogs because we always had dogs. When I was
Yeah.
born, we had a German Shepherd. So he was so possessive about us. And I remember I was too small then. But my brother, he was like, one of the neighbors. He came and picked him up, प्यार से ऐसे, and he was a South Indian.
Uh-huh.
And he was wearing a lungi.
Huh.
Okay? So
I can see where this is going.
उसने उसकी लुंगी फाड़ डाली थी.
अरे बाप रे. So उसको और खिलौना मिल गया कुछ.
That was a good one.
Yeah, see dogs, cats, they have their own comic masters. They
Yeah,
are,
yeah,
honestly.
yeah.
वो ऐसे कुछ शरारतें कर लेते हैं that you can't stop but burst laughing,
Yeah.
and it's purely innocent. I
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
like animals are just that way. Although, see, we have contact with dogs and cats, but then other animals as well. I mean, I have never really interacted much, but they say that even cows and buffaloes
Yes.
and donkeys
Yes.
are equally friendly. So are horses, not to mention. Horses and elephants are very loving.
Elephants, yeah, I have.
Yeah,
like,
but I think they're also very
witnessed that.
territorial.
Yeah.
I mean, dogs and cats तो किसी के साथ भी mingle हो सकते हैं. Not cats, moreover dogs.
Dogs.
But horses and elephants, they don't mingle with everyone. They're a little territorial and they're a little reserved. But once they win your hearts, then they are the
Yeah.
sweetest, I feel like.
I remember last year when we had gone to Krabi, we went for that elephant safari. So basically, you can give them bath, you can walk with them, you can play with them. So that is the activity. So this elephant was 40 years old, which we came to know later. But her energy was like a toddler, and she was deliberately doing masti with her master. And it was so much fun. I mean, while we were giving her bath that time also, she was sprinkling water on us, and she was deliberately but torturing her
Yeah.
master.
yeah. They do it. They're very naughty actually.
Yeah.
If you see it.
Yeah.
A vivid memory I have of my childhood is my grandfather used to take me to Rani Chi Bagh.
Ah.
At Baikala, the zoo, the famous zoo in Mumbai.
Yeah.
And I remember feeding an elephant like 6 or 7 bananas at once. And she or he, whatever, took it in its trunk and then they put it in their mouth.
Yeah.
And they ate it and it smiled at me.
Oh.
I'm not kidding. Like, kid you not. And my grandfather said that it's smiling at you. Just have it.
So sweet.
It smiled at me because it was happy to eat it, and maybe they also like kids. I don't know what it was,
Yeah.
but I have that vivid memory of animals. And when you go to safaris and all, you just you just spot that these wild animals are so beautiful and majestic.
Yeah.
Actually, that it's unfathomable.
Yeah. Yeah.
So beauty, nature has created this kind
Yeah.
of beauty through animals.
Last year we had gone to Rishikesh. Okay, so there we came across two golden retrievers, and they were nicely, and they were about 2 months old, and they were wearing their sweaters, and so cute they were. And this year again, when we went to Rishikesh, we said we must meet them.
Yeah.
So we went to that spot, but they were not there.
Oh,
But that shopkeeper, he said, वो वाले होटल में है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
हाँ.
Okay.
So we couldn't find that hotel. पहले तो नहीं मिला. Then बाद में ऐसे ही ढूंढते ढूंढते we went there.
Okay.
Then the person this he said, and their names are Cherry and Jerry. So हाँ,
Okay.
Cherry and Jerry.
That's sweet.
So that person said कि वो आते हैं शाम को आते हैं, तो आप वापस शाम को आओ.
हाँ.
हाँ. Then again we went in the evening. Then the person there said वो ना ऊपर है.
हाँ.
तो he said इनको फॉलो करो आप. We started following, and that place was so shady. My daughter Rashnika said, Mama, we trust anyone. But we went there, and those two Cherry and Jerry, they were sitting there. They somehow recognized
Yeah,
us.
they do. I even have experienced that in
And they
childhood.
played with us. They had become even more naughtier than
Yeah,
last year.
yeah. That's the dogs are just wired that way.
Yeah.
They're social. I keep on reading why are dogs so friendly and social and loving. I just sometimes feel they're humans trapped in a dog's body. I mean, better than humans, but I mean, it's just that they don't speak our language or whatever, but
Yeah.
they're just like humans only.
But they see over the period, they understand you, and you also start understanding them, right?
yeah, of course they do.
Now I have Zar.
Yeah,
and
you speak with him in Marathi.
Yeah,
and then he
in
understands,
Marathi,
yeah.
English, Hindi, he understands
Understand.
Gujarati also.
Kya baat hai?
Because his friend, he was a Gujarati, Zar's first friend. So
Kutta friend.
Kutta friend. Yeah.
Okay.
So Zar understands Aya, Chipai Geo, certain commands.
क्या
He
बात,
understands.
सरस
Yeah.
एकदम सरस है.
And
That's so cool.
and now he understands the spellings also.
अरे बाप रे.
Because if we say walk, then he understands. Chalo, let's go. So he understands
yeah,
all.
yeah.
So now we said if we have to, like in our code language, we say we'll take him for WLK later, huh? But he understands
Understands that, yeah.
now. TREAT understands now.
Yeah. No, but you know why this he understands? What I understand is the topic that I want to come to is telepathy. It is animal communication. See, when you want to take him for a walk, your body language says that.
Huh.
And animals are very sharp when it comes to body language and what's going on in your intuitive level or in a subconscious mind. So telepathy this is how it works. When we are all connected.
So they catch
through-
your energy.
Yeah. We all living beings, including plants, are connected by a single language made by Mother Nature, which is of telepathy.
Acha.
Over the period, we learn languages, and that's how it comes. I won't say as a hurdle, but it overpowers the telepathic.
Or maybe that has been decoded as language.
Yeah.
Hai
Yeah.
na?
What
You
has
can
been our languages? You mean,
No,
or
the telepathy,
uh-huh.
I think, is decoded in the language, and that's how we speak.
No. I what I
That's what
believe
you
is
mean?
no, because of languages, it gets overpowered. So probably today, just right now, between you and me also, there's a lot of conversation happening. But because we are speaking in English or Hindi or Marathi, we are able to manipulate our thoughts. We're able to,
Okay.
filter out certain things. But there is something else happening between the two of us right
Okay,
now. That is telepathy.
Okay.
And because of, like I said, because of language, it overpowers that. But animals are very pure and they remain in that pure form
Yeah.
forever. And they can communicate through telepathy. And telepathy works very intuitively, subconsciously.
Yeah.
And it is through pictorials. Like you get images, you get smells, you get a sensation, whatever. Whatever is a dominant sense. Through that, you can understand what the other animal or the human is trying to say. So when you want to take him for a walk, it's because you feel like this is the time to take him for a walk. You're getting ready for that.
Yeah.
So that is what he understands.
But sometimes, we want to take him later.
Yeah.
Like, so Ritvik says, Mama, don't say WLK now because I'm going to take him later. That he understands. Okay, that way.
Because telepathy, everybody
Yeah.
has a different body language.
Yeah.
And cats and dogs and other animals understand body language very well. They have been blessed with that sense, actually.
Yeah.
In fact, that's how they can survive in the wild as well.
Yeah.
So
And
that's
have you
how-
noticed, suppose if you're a true dog lover, if you are on the road, you know, the strays also start coming to you.
Yeah, it's
I-
because they know that you
Yeah.
like them, or you know,
Yeah.
you would be like a safe haven for them.
Hmm.
See, primarily there are two things, especially dogs and cats as well. Number one is they want food.
Hmm.
They want food, water, shelter.
And
And the
love
second
also,
is attention. That is
Yeah.
love.
Yeah.
Not, I feel like stray dogs are more like they want food. They want some kind of facility, you know, because they are maybe starving.
Hmm.
They may not have had water in a long time, so
Hmm.
they feel like they can come to you and ask for that at least.
Hmm.
Again, they don't feel shy or whatever about it.
Hmm.
They just feel like you could help them.
You know, we go to a doctor. There's an Ayurvedic doctor whom we go to. So me and Rashnika, we go to her. So there's this brown colored dog. Okay, we have never fed him anything, but you know, whenever we go, especially when Rashnika, my daughter, is there, he comes. He asks her to scratch his back, and whenever she stops, he looks at her like, you know,
Please
that look
continue.
is yeah.
Yeah.
But we haven't fed him anything till date.
Yeah, that's because he just likes her and he wants that attention.
And you
from,
know, see, I get somehow thoda sa scared of stray dogs because of the stories
same,
that I've heard.
Same here.
But she is not scared, so the stray dogs get attracted to her.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is also
Ho
I have
sakta hai.
experienced.
And it
Same with
happens.
her friend.
Yeah.
Okay, she fosters a stray dog. So the stray dogs automatically come to her. Like she stays in Vapi. But even if she's in Mumbai or anywhere, even we had gone to Himachal, you know, the strays would come to Rashnika and Divya, her friend.
This is telepathy. This is her body language conveying that I'm open to talking to you. So it is possible
She's
that
a
I'm
communicator.
it's possible that I can see the dog from a far distance, and there's already telepathy happening wherein the friend is saying to the dogs that, listen, I'm here, we can talk, we can chat, we can cuddle. That's the telepathy that is already happening, and they sense that energy as well. You know, we understand people's energy. किसके साथ कितनी बात करनी है, किसी के साथ किसको कितना इम्पोर्टेंस देना है, सामने वाले को क्या लग रहा है, क्या वो, we understand people's body language, no, don't we also understand, we can read the room, they say. So dogs to have 10 times more power than that, animals per se. So they understand. Like my dad, for example, he doesn't like animals. He doesn't hate them. He's not very comfortable around animals. So not a single dog or a cat wherever we go, किसी के घर में होगा, comes near him. Never. It's always mom and I.
अच्छा.
Because they understand that this person wants to keep distance from us, so उसको जाके हम कुछ तंग नहीं करेंगे. They're also smart. They also have self-respect, obviously.
You know, before we got Zar, I was complete no-no of getting a pet dog, because in my childhood, I mean, we would normally tie them up. Very rarely we would keep them free. So I never liked that.
Yeah.
See, that time the times were different. Okay.
Correct.
Then they would get ticks.
Yeah.
Okay. And there were not so many medicines that time. We would put some powder and to get rid of
I know,
ticks and all.
yeah.
So that's why I was a bit reluctant.
Okay.
But Ritvik convinced me so much, like, you know, he would come and hug me and say, Mama, I love you, which he would otherwise
Not say.
he's not so expressive, but that time, oh my God, he would kiss me and then he would say, Mama, I love you, let's go and get. I mean, he convinced me so much. Then he had done so much of research. And I had so many questions. I said, we keep traveling, then where would we keep them and all?
Yeah.
So he said, Mama, there are so many lodging boarding for dogs.
Daycares and whatnot.
Daycares and everything. So he had answer for my every question. So
पहले से तैयार करके आया था बच्चा.
And then ultimately I said, चलो, let's go to a kennel and let's see कि क्या होता है.
But then are you happy you did that?
Of course. So then we went to a kennel and there were so many dogs, and then I fell in love. I said, चलो देखा जाएगा जो भी होगा, let's get one. And then we had selected one. Okay, it was a fawn colored lab, but somehow before we could, I don't like to say we bought.
Yeah. We just took him.
Took him. So before we could take him, somebody else
Arey.
paid and took that pup away. Okay, then there was he had a brown labs, and I said, yeah, brown color looks nice, and that time brown labs were not so common.
Even
Okay.
today they aren't, for that matter.
अभी तो
Zar is the
दिखते
only one I
हैं.
know.
Yeah, no, अभी दिखते हैं, but that time, I saw that color, the eyes and all, so we selected one. ठीक है,
हाँ.
and we said we'll pay you.
Yeah.
ऐसे, but again that pup fell sick and
अरे
वो भी हो
बाप
गया. Then third time we had selected one again. The brown litter had come, so I selected one. ठीक है, and then whatever the price was, we said कि we'll come and
Yeah.
give, and we went there. And there were 2 pups in that basket, red colored basket. And somehow हम लोग तीनों की आंखें जार पे थी,
हाँ.
not on the other pup.
Okay.
Okay, and this one was a bit expensive, Zar. Though they were brothers,
हाँ.
one was on pedigree and one was on Royal Canine. So Zar was on Royal Canine. But somehow, that's it. My point is, all 3 of us got attracted to him.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
he was also, it seemed like, he wanted us to come to us.
Come to you. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and then we selected him. Literally, I again went to the ATM, withdrew money, and we got Zar.
Oh.
So बोलते हैं ना कि dog chooses the home.
The host.
Yeah.
With me, it has happened with cats. I was never a cat person.
Huh.
I was always a dog person because I grew up with a dog and dogs around me also, for that matter. And then came a cat in our society once, and I wasn't sure because he used to keep coming to our house because we had a ground floor house at that time, and and he was very sweet.
Huh.
And that's the first time I saw a cat who was sweet. Because cats are otherwise
are
very selfish and
yeah.
self-centered, and that myth got busted.
Huh.
And I spent a lot of time with him, and then he just left one day because they are unpredictable. They can go anywhere. And then started coming a lot of cats in my life.
Oh.
And then I fostered a few because it was a ground floor house. We could just do it there, and there were other kids also who used to do it. But I started being very emotionally attached to cats, and I learned a very different personality of cats at that time, and I started liking cats since then. And I realized they're very sharp. They're sharper than dogs any day. I just feel like, and there's a lot that we can learn from cats. Like from dogs, we can learn unconditional love. We can learn lots of things from dogs, but from cats, I think we can learn is independence. We can learn is that silent attitude where you don't need to create a ruckus or
Yeah.
noise to show your prowess. You can just be there even if you're silent.
Yeah.
There are certain things cats can teach you. I think I'm yet to learn those kind of qualities from other animals, like birds or horses or elephants or wild animal के इतने करीब नहीं जाऊँगा, but every animal is there to
Yeah.
teach you something or the
Yeah.
else. Yeah.
And coming back to Zar, okay, we were going through some rough years. Okay, first I lost my husband, then 5 years later, I lost my father-in-law. Rashnika was very close to my father-in-law, and so was Ritvik, and so was I, in fact. So 3 of us were like, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे shattered,
yeah.
And 2 years later, we got Zar, and our life changed.
Yeah,
Like literally, I always say he's a blessing for us.
Very
you know?
sweet.
And there was a time when Rashnika, she was having health problems also, and it was her 10th standard. This guy would sit next to her throughout. I mean, कितनी भी देर वो study कर रही है, उसके साथ ही बैठेगा.
Very sweet. See, they understand. That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
yeah.
Telepathy, and they
Yeah.
have that sixth sense, the third eye,
Yeah.
whatever call it. That's very sweet. They say that animals जब भी होते हैं ना हमारे आसपास या घर में, they remove all the negativity from the
Yeah.
house.
I can vouch for that.
Also we have a topic on spirits and paranormal
Yes,
talk, so they understand because they have that sixth sense.
Yeah.
So they protect you also from
Yeah.
these kind of beings and entities. So अगर आप किसी hill station पे जाओ like Matheran, Mahabaleshwar, and you are just trekking around or walking around, there will be at least
Dogs.
one stray dog who will
Yeah.
accompany you because
Yes.
A, they like humans,
Yeah.
and B is they protect you.
Protect,
That's
yeah.
what they say, and it's very nice to have a
Yeah.
companion on the way,
Yeah.
and especially if you're a dog lover. I mean, you can't do it in a city over here. वो वहाँ पे मिलता है तो अच्छा लगता है कि कोई तो कंपेनियन
अरे
अपने
sometimes
साथ है.
even Zar, you know, he keeps barking. He looks somewhere in the dark and keeps barking.
Yeah.
तब हम लोग की वट्टी है. But then we say कि अरे he's there to protect us.
Yeah,
Like, you
yeah,
know.
yeah. But coming to this, another interesting point is about all the, you know, what do you say, like beauty parlors and all that these animals are today blessed
they
with.
have grooming.
Grooming and
Yeah,
walk,
yeah, yeah.
like, I mean,
And it's I mean, legit profession.
isn't it? And they
Yeah.
charge like a bomb,
Yeah,
honestly.
they
And
do.
you see these cute videos of
Yeah.
dogs and cats being
Yeah.
groomed and, you know, their nails being cut and
Yeah, yeah.
everything.
You won't believe there was
I've just been to one once. Yeah, anyway.
and there was an exhibition or fair kind of a thing. It called Pet Fed, and you know they had like Shadi.com.
Oh,
they
God.
had for dogs also. Then blood bank and
Baap re.
grooming वगैरह भी था.
हाँ.
And there was a fashion show.
Oh,
There are
God.
show breed dogs
Some
also.
other level of people must be doing
Yeah.
You know, when I went to Peru in 2024, we were just roaming around the streets of Lima.
हाँ.
और ऐसा फेयर जैसा ही कुछ था. And we saw a lot of small clothes being hanged and displayed,
हाँ.
and belts and clothes and toys and whatnot. तो I couldn't figure out ये किसके लिए है.
हाँ.
And I realized it's for cats and dogs.
See, that's
That whole
Zar's
fair-
wardrobe.
And like all fancy stuff, you know,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
anybody, it might disguise as one for kids or whatever, but it is for dogs and cats. I mean,
Yeah.
look at the kind of world that we
Yeah.
have today. That's very sweet, actually. So we have stylists, we have groomers, and we also have dog walkers, which is like
Have
a
you
proper
heard?
profession. And my
Yeah.
Vahini, my bhabhi in US,
हाँ.
who's Peruvian, by the way,
हाँ.
she has taken up that job.
Yeah.
And I am sure she earns really well from that
Do
job.
you know there's one guy in India, I think in Bangalore, he earns 4.5 lakhs per month
Baap
as a
re.
dog walker. He is an IITian and he's doing this profession. Yeah.
What are we doing? And pet sitters and wo to, one of my mommy's sisters
Huh.
who lives in the US, she's also currently working as a pet sitter.
Okay.
And she is I mean sitting for a cat
Huh.
and an iguana.
Ooh, wow. Wow.
कुछ अलग ही है, मतलब this is very exotic, you know, all
Yeah,
these things
yeah.
when you listen
But
to it.
iguana is legal now.
US में होगा,
US
US
में,
में
okay,
तो कुछ
okay.
भी हो सकता है.
हाँ, 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 हाँ.
And these pet nutritionists is something I've
yes,
heard.
yes.
Physiotherapists for them,
Of
behavioral trainers.
Yeah.
Behavior trainers, I know Manasi Joshi's
Yeah,
husband
yeah,
is a
her
behavior
husband
trainer.
is,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Then rehab specialists. I think that is also
Yes,
much
yeah.
needed. And you spoke
And
about
now
fashion
whenever
shows.
we go out, we keep Zara at Khandala.
Yeah,
I told
my
you.
mom was asking me that whenever they travel, where does Zar stay? So
Yeah.
now you answered the
And there is a
question.
pickup drop service. Okay, the man stays in Dadar.
Oh.
So he comes to pick him up. Then उसके साथ और भी ये एरिया में जितने भी dogs है उनको जाना है वहाँ
like
पे.
a school bus.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
they
yeah,
show,
like a
sometimes
school
you
bus.
see on reels there is a
Yeah,
school bus,
yeah,
and they're
yeah,
very
yeah.
obediently those
Yeah.
dogs are going around.
And now you know that even in flights you can take,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
there's
yeah.
a weight ka thing,
Weight
like
ka
it has
thing
to
is
be
there, yeah,
10
yeah.
kilos.
But that I still feel is very dangerous. I mean, I have heard a very unfortunate case. Somebody died of a heart attack because
Oh, is
he
it?
was very scared sitting in the
Acha.
cage, and you know, they not everybody.
Somebody as in
Like a
the
dog.
Huh,
Yeah, yeah,
dog.
because he
No,
sat
but
in the
if
cage.
this
and
dog sits with you, then I think he'll be.
I don't know if they
But
have
in
to be
US
put
and
in.
all,
They have to be put in some other, you know,
Huh,
what do you say?
there's a special
Special space.
airway for the dogs.
अच्छा
That's what
एयरवे
I
नहीं है,
just
मुझे
saw.
लगता है उसी प्लेन में होता है,
Hmm.
बट वो अलग कंपार्टमेंट होता है उसमें, जस्ट जहाँ पे
हाँ,
आपको
that is also there.
But
And I have
imagine
heard
sitting in
of
a
a
cage and-
special pet के लिए airways
Oh.
है. I mean, of course, the pet owner and the pet, they sit together, but there's a special
Oh,
airway.
okay,
That's what I
okay.
saw on Instagram, so I don't know how much to
Oh.
believe, but yeah,
होगा तो अच्छा है.
अच्छा है और
होगा
हो भी
तो.
सकता है. I mean, thinking of how many pet parents are there, like it can. And Rohan, have you seen pet influencers on Instagram?
Yeah, and they have a lot of followers and all.
Yeah.
A lot of love they
And
get.
their reels and posts are so
Yeah,
entertaining.
and money also they earn.
Yeah.
Lots of them.
Yeah.
I've seen some cute dogs, some cats, rabbits, and
Yeah.
whatnot. Actually,
So pets are no longer extras in life; they are an ecosystem.
they
Do you
are an
agree?
ecosystem.
Yeah.
Yes, they are a part of family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now the tricky part is society. Some housing societies, like, they still treat pets like criminals on four legs.
Yeah.
I mean, I agree that they could be having their own reasons. Actually, it is quite ironic because pets usually have better manners than humans. है ना?
Yes, yes, yes.
And legally speaking, though pet parents do have rights, no society can ban pets outright.
Yeah.
So that's a very good thing.
Yes, yes. Let's hope that we will come to an equilibrium wherein we
Yeah.
can work it out as a society. Rules can exist for hygiene and safety, yes, but discrimination, no. That's not okay at all. It's none of your business actually.
Yeah, it's about balance. Abhi, yaar, talk about humans. Are they? I mean,
ऐसे
coming
तो
to
कितने True that.
so responsible pet parents plus informed societies is equal to peaceful coexistence.
Absolutely. Couldn't agree more on this. Anyway, we can go on and on about this. We can probably have another part of this coming soon. But before we sign out, tell us, are you a pet parent yourself? Are you planning to be one? Or are you happily pet free but pet friendly?
Drop your stories, dilemmas, and pet photos in the comments. This was Talks Without a Map. Season 4 begins with paws, love, and a little fur on the mic.
And finally, again,
Happy New Year.
Year.